company hires an individual, they always are very keen to know about the person's personality, because the personality is what makes you unique or distinct from everyone else.
Hi, I am Hazel Gomes. I have completed my master's and bachelor's degree in English Honours with a first class grade. I have been performing as an actor and participating in public speaking co-curricular activities since I was 5 years old. During my undergraduate course, I scripted, directed and performed competitively, winning many theatre performances. During my undergraduate course, I scripted, directed and performed competitively, winning all the prizes for the theatre performances. As a hobby, I enjoy fine art, so I mainly do photography and painting. Although I am much of an outdoor person rather than an indoor person, for the Marine Etutor channel, I will be your coach for English speaking and writing as well as for performance skills. Hope you enjoy our videos. See you. Bye bye.